Hello friends, welcome to my channel with me Vandita. In this video, I'm going to show you these beautiful three border design which are in curvy pattern, and these are really easy to make. For these borders, I'm using multicolors. You can use according to your choice, according to your pattern. So let's start. I'm just using two colors for one border, and I'm using 6 number crochet with this wool. We will start with a slip knot, or you can start with a twist like this. Start to making chain, foundation chain, and I'm making today 36 chain for these four. I have completed my 36 chains. Now skip one chain and one single crochet. Now skip 3 chains. In fourth we'll make 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. In fourth, 1 single crochet. Again skip 3 chains. In fourth, make 7 double crochet. And skip 3 chains. In fourth, 1 single crochet. Again 1, 2, 3 we'll skip. In fourth we'll make 7 double crochet. Skip 1, 2, 3. In fourth, single crochet, and now in last 1 single crochet and second. It's just a sample. You will do according to your project. Now I will add another color for the boundary. I'm taking cream color. In the first chain, make 1 chain. Now we will start single crochet in every chain like this. These are our 7, and after 3, in fourth double crochet we will make 2 single crochet in the 1 chain. 1, and second in the same chain 2, and 3 single crochet in every chain. And this is our center. Single crochet. Now we'll start the second leaf outlining. 2 and 3 single crochet. After that, into fourth we will make 2 single crochet like this. Please keep your hand some loose for this boundary, for this piping, or you can say it's outlining. Three. In fourth, we'll make 2 single crochet, just like this. Okay, now I will show you this pattern. Okay, in second design we will start like first one with single crochet, three single crochet. Now in fourth we will make first single crochet and chain 2, and in this wool we'll make a slip knot like this. Second single crochet in the same chain and 3 more single crochet next every chain. This is middle single crochet, and this is our first leaf completed. See again, 1, 2, 3. In fourth, first single crochet, make 2 chains, and this is these upper thread we will make a slip knot like this. A single crochet in the same chain and 3 more single crochet in every next chain. In middle also a single crochet, next 3 single crochet, in fourth, first single crochet, chain 2, these upper wool over the hook and make a slip knot like this. A single crochet in the same stitch, same chain, and 3 more single crochet. Just like this. Okay, now I'm making this third one design. Okay, after 2 single crochet, in third one we will make single crochet, chain 2, wool over the hook and make slip knot like this. In fourth, single crochet, make 2 chains, and we'll do the same with slip knot. In fifth, single crochet, make 2 chains and make a slip knot like this. Now we have 2 double crochet, we'll make 2 single crochet. This is middle, and our petal will look like this. Now again 2 single crochet, third single crochet, chain 2, slip knot. Again in fourth single crochet, chain 2, this upper thread with a slip knot. In fifth also we will do the same, 2 chains, make a slip knot. Now 2 single crochet. Two single crochet. In third single crochet, chain 2, a slip knot. In fourth single crochet, 2 chains, make slip knot. In fifth single crochet, 2 chains and a slip knot. Now 2 single crochet like this. You can make these 3 pearls here and here also, or over all the petal. It will look very nice. Okay, I hope you like this video, you like this design. So please don't forget to like this video and share with your friends and family, and please subscribe the channel for the new design and new videos. Thank you. Keep watching.